trails bisect a golden night sky. On a westbound beach town, Golden State Highway Drive. You got one hand out the window and the other hand mine. I could live right here in this moment for the rest of my life. 'Cause time won't slow down, so it's time we go now. Let's chase the horizons up the Catalina coastline, Jeep ride all the way to Santa Fe, sip a coffee to a Montana sunrise, say goodnight to the Colorado rain. Sky's the limit, baby, wheels up, need 100 lifetimes kind of love. I could say forever, but forever ain't long enough.
Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you here. Together we witness these vows of commitment and love that Anthony and Erin bring to one another. This is a time of celebration and a time of prayer.
'Cause time won't slow down, so it's time we go now. Let's chase the horizons off the Catalina coastline, Jeep ride all the way to Santa Fe.
Anthony and Erin, what began in an engineering office has continued throughout your courtship to one another and has led you here to St. Joseph's Church in the White Mountains today. On this, your blessed wedding day, as you express your love for one another in a permanent, faithful, and procreative vow of holy matrimony.
I, Erin, take you, Anthony, for my lawful husband,
I, Anthony, take you, Erin, for my lawful wife,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
till death do us part.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time as husband and wife, I give you Mr. and Mrs. Anthony Sorrenti. Anthony, you may kiss the bride.
Sky's the limit, baby, wheels up, need 100 lifetimes kind of love. I could say forever, but forever ain't long enough. I could say forever, but forever ain't long enough.
Strange light revolves around you. You float across the room. Your touch is made of something heaven can hold a candle to. You're made of something new.
Are you guys ready to celebrate with your newlyweds tonight? Let's go!
Enjoy the view. It's hard to be a human. So much to put an answer to. But that's just what we do. God only knows where this could go. And even if our love starts to go out of control, and you and me go up in flames, heaven won't be the same.
Warm round of applause for the new Mr. and Mrs. Sorrenti.
Welcome to Ted Morton's daughter's wedding. I'm the father of the bride. I'm Ted Morton. Actually, I've lived in Erin's shadow for the last 10, 12 years, so my princess is perfect. To my princess and her prince, may you always sign your name boldly, play your music loudly, live long and prosperous lives, and never, ever give up the Captain and Coke. To Erin and Anthony.
Erin is the perfect balance for Anthony. She fit into the Sorrenti family seamlessly. From day one, it felt like she had always been part of the crew. For most of our lives, I was Anthony's partner in every adventure, but Erin stepped in effortlessly. Before I knew it, she took my spot on the mountain, on the trails, and even at Patriots game. and I've never been happier to be replaced. Anthony and Erin, it's been a joy watching your relationship grow into the beautiful partnership we're celebrating tonight. You two prove that real love isn't something you stumble into, it's something you build day by day with patience, laughter, and grace. Cheers to Anthony and Erin.
The greatest love stories aren't always the loudest or the flashiest ones. Love is more about the small, quiet moments. It's about comforting each other in times of need, cheering each other on, constantly showing up for your partner, and prioritizing each other's happiness. Erin and Anthony, while I've highlighted the beginning of your story, it really has just begun. I, for one, cannot wait to watch the rest of your story unfold. Now, without further ado, let's raise a glass to my favorite newlyweds. To Erin and Anthony, the story you've created thus far, and the many chapters yet to be written.
Where this could go, and even if our love starts to go out of control, and you and me go up in flames, heaven won't be the same. Heaven won't be the same. I believe I could die in your kiss. No, it doesn't get better than